One of the key differences between the way that I coach my clients with regards to confidence through the power of personal style is that I really believe that clothing and color and texture has a very different purpose than most people do. You will hear a lot of people say dress for success or dress to impress. And my coaching concept is dress to connect. Why? Because from a faith point of view, and most of my clients have a faith and believe in the Creator. And if you don't, that's fine. Maybe you have your own version of what creation is. But everything in life works well when we do it for others, or we do it with others in mind. And the area of clothing and personal style and fashion really has become, it's for you, dress for yourself, dress to make you look good, dress to make yourself look good. Yes, you do get to look and feel good when you do it. But if you want to really power up your personal style, if you want to go to the next level, it's not about finding more clothing, although that is also a fun part of what we do. But it is about understanding that when you dress to connect, you connect with two really important people. Number one, you connect with the woman in the mirror. You start learning how to dress on the outside in a way that reflects the woman on the inside. That's powerful. That's a game changer. So you connect with her. You learn to fall in love with the woman in the mirror. No condemning or complaining about your body or your boobs or your butt or your belly, but you start giving life and speaking life and lifting her up, and you see how she responds. So you dress to connect with her. And then equally important is you dress to connect with those around you. We all go through tough times. There are challenges all the time, wherever we go. I mean, it's biblical. It says there will be trouble tomorrow. But when you go to the grocery store and you dress to connect in a way where you actually have others in mind, thinking, Lord, how can I be a blessing today? I'm having a really crappy day. It's hard, but I'm going to get up, dress up. I'm going to put some red lipstick on. I've got my jeans and my boots on, and I'm going to look for someone to catch her eye and just to edify her, just to compliment her, just to smile at her, just to give her one kind word in a day that maybe she hasn't had in a long time. And when you wear red lipstick or hot pink, or you wear something that is eye-catching, you catch the opportunity to connect with someone, especially women on women, because it doesn't happen very often. So she sees you, you smile, and then you have a connection. You dress to connect. So when you're at your wardrobe or in your dressing room or your whatever that looks like, just stop for a minute sometimes and just go, who can I connect with today? Where am I going? Be intentional about it. Be purposeful about it, because this is the Ferrari in your closet. It will take you places if you don't just use it to serve yourself. It's just sowing and reaping. It's just a supernatural law. You give and then you get. You sow and then you get. It is so much more of a powerful vehicle than you will ever have imagined if you understand that the clothes on your body have everything to do with God. He made the water and the soil that made the cotton that produces what you're wearing right now. He made the animals that makes the wool that makes you wearing this cashmere sweater. He's in everything. Unless you have decided, I don't have to dress up, I don't have to make an effort, God loves me as I am. That is self-serving. That is self-serving, and you're cutting short your opportunities, your influence, probably even your income. Not probably, definitely your income. Because you're making it all about you. I don't have to do this. I'm not changing for anybody. Don't catch yourself saying that. I change for somebody. I change for me every day. You'll never catch me saying, I'm not changing for anyone. You can just, they must love me or leave me. They will leave you. I want to change every day for me so that I become the best version of myself, so that I can connect out there and have a meaningful life. We're connected whether you like it or not, my friend. Even you and I, maybe across the oceans. We're all connected. We come from, my belief anyway, the creator of all of creation. That's why I take my inspiration from creation. Does pink go with green? Yes. Have you ever seen a pink rose on a green bush? Does yellow go with blue? Yes. Have you never seen a beautiful meadow full of yellow and blue flowers? Does purple go with green? Yes. Have you ever seen beautiful heather and lavender and with green, soft green leaves? And clearly I'm not into plants, but I've seen the colors out there. Can I wear brown with green? Can I wear brown with blue? Yes. Have you ever seen the ocean that meets the sky and the brown sand? Turquoise and browns and tan is beautiful together. Take your inspiration from creation. But the next time you go to your wardrobe, remember, I'm going to dress to connect. The bonus is that you get to feel and look good anyway. You walk out your front door thinking, dang it, I kind of nailed it today. I feel really good. ups your energy, it ups your tempo, it ups your influence. And then you catch the opportunity to connect with those around you. You don't know who you're surrounded by. And if you dress to connect and just to go and give and love on people around you, doesn't mean you're going to talk to 100 people a day, although knock yourself out. Sometimes if you're very introverted and you're typically quite withdrawn, that's okay. Not shy. Shy is a lie. I don't believe in shy. Shy is connected to cover and hide and shame. Do the word search and do the word study and go deep into it and you'll see. But even if you connect with one person, you go, oh, wow, I love your handbag, or gosh, those are some cool shoes, even to kids, and see what happens when you dress to connect, rather than serving yourself about how you feel and how you want to look. It's way more purposeful than that. Why do you think God has us dressing up every day, multiple times a day? There must be a reason He had in mind, right? What purpose does it serve? Your clothing is the Ferrari in your closet. It will take you places. Dress to connect.